Now we are discussing about need for inverters. Generally, for our normal appliances, by using the transformer, we get the AC supply. The AC supply we are getting to our homes whenever we require any DC, example for our charging of mobile or laptop, we convert AC to DC. That you already learnt in second year. But what happens, for suppose, if power cut happens, then at that time we require an AC supply, but the problem is we cannot store the AC. We can only generate the AC, but we cannot store the AC. This is the problem with the alternating current. There is no doubt, alternating current AC is a very great invention by Nikola Tesla. But the problem is, we can generate and transmit. Compared to DC, transmission of AC, the power losses will be very less. But we cannot store the AC. If we can store the AC, then the electricity will revolve into another dimension. As of now, we are not able to store that. So whenever we require AC, either we have to depend upon our power distributor, or because we are not able to store the AC, we can use the DC supply, because DC can be stored. DC can be stored in batteries. So whenever we are getting the sunlight, solar panels also, they will give the DC signal. Now the DC signal from this battery or from the solar panel, we can convert to AC. Remember, once you have converted to AC, you cannot store that AC. If you want to store the AC, what is the phenomenon? You have to convert AC signal to DC, and you can store the DC only. So your mobile works with the battery, which is a DC. Your laptop works with the battery, which is a DC. Your clock, you are saying battery, which is a DC voltage. Wherever you are seeing storage battery, that means it is a DC voltage. So only we can store the DC. We are taking the AC with the charger, we are converting it to DC, and we are storing that DC in the form of the battery. That's why when we are, even without giving supply to our mobile, because of the DC supply, the mobile is working. So the need of the inverter is, when the power cut happens, we can convert the DC signal to the AC signal with the help of the inverter. Because it is doing the reverse action, we are calling this as an inverter.